So we'll move on to scrip dividend. Whenever a company pays a dividend, it usually has to pay cash, but rather than paying cash, the company can also go in and give a new share as a dividend. Okay, so what happens when this is given is outstanding shares will increase, the total number of shares in the company will increase, but the stock price will proportionately fall. So that's about the scrip dividend. So what are the pros of this? Number one, no cash is being spent, so cash can be retained for reinvestment. Unless the scrip dividend is like very big, okay, the share price will not fall to a huge extent. So for example, for every 100 share, one share is given as a free scrip dividend, then only 1% of the share price will fall. But if you are going to issue 10 shares for every 100 shares, then the share price will fall by 10%. So the fall in price depends upon the number of shares being issued as scrip dividend. So this also reduces the company's gearing, because the company's gearing ratio is defined by debit by equity ratio. Whenever more shares are issued, the equity part of it rises. So what happens, the overall ratio, okay, as the denominator rises, the overall ratio falls. Okay, so it reduces the company's gearing and thus increasing its borrowing capacity. As the overall ratio is falling, the company can now raise more debt to compensate the rise in equity. Okay, so that's what it helps. Tax advantage, as as it is not cash and it is shares, it depends upon certain countries. In certain countries, cash dividend is taxed, but scrip dividend is not taxed. So in some companies, the shareholders can claim a tax advantage, but it's not always. So what's the problem? In few countries, whether it's cash dividend or scrip dividend, the tax has to be paid. So sometimes whenever a scrip dividend is issued, then as it is not a cash dividend, the cash has to be paid as tax from the shareholders pocket. Okay, so that's how it works. So now we'll move on to bonus share. So bonus issue is a method of altering the company's share capital without raising cash. So if a company has a high amount of retained earnings, that retained earnings can be converted into share capital, and only profit making companies can go for a bonus issue. By issuing a bonus, nothing happens actually. So for example, if you have a share which is trading at 100 rupees and you have around some 10 shares, so you'll totally have a worth of 1000 rupees of share, but and additionally you get one share for free. So this share doesn't have any cash and all. You get one bonus share. This is just a one bonus share. Okay, so the total number of shares that you have are 11 shares. Okay, and what would happen to the price? The price will actually fall to how much? The price will fall in this ratio. So the total worth of shares is 1000 rupees. Okay, earlier you had 10, but now you have an additional one. So the share price will collapse. It will collapse to a price of 90 rupees per share. So the share price will collapse to 90. So 90, we can put it like 90 or 90.91 or something. When you multiply, you will get the same 1000 rupees. So the concept is this: amount will remain the same even after the bonus issue. Okay, the share price will collapse. Okay, so even though you have the additional one share, you won't become rich just because you got a bonus share. Okay, so that's what happens. So we'll go on to a quiz here. Which of the following is most likely to increase shareholders wealth? A stock dividend, a stock split, a special dividend? So a stock dividend is a scrip dividend. Okay, so even if a scrip dividend is given, you won't become rich. Stock split, you won't become rich. A special dividend, yes, because it's a special dividend, it's a one-time dividend and you will get cash in your hand. So the answer is scrip dividends make you richer. Sorry, special dividends make you richer.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn. and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.